Alright, YouTube. I'm here to give y'all the lowdown on the Maestro datalink for the Camaro, the Cam 1 kit. See it right there. See, I bought this box. It's got the kit. Get a better look at it. It's got the kit. It's got wiring harness, right? With all the stuff you see right here. I bought this joint off Amazon. And I installed it in the car. I'm gonna show you a picture of how the factory looked before I took it out. I installed it in the car. Radio sounded good. I got the Pioneer NEX 1400. But it's the media player one, so I think it's MPH, something like that, 1400. Nice Pioneer radio. So I get it, right? And hook it up. Sounds good. Guess what? Only thing I had was the blinkers. I had no climate control or none of that stuff. And I didn't know that because I thought, you know, since the kit had the wires, that all of that stuff was gonna work. Okay, what did I do with it? I'll show you what I had to end up buying for another, like a 160. After I spent like 260 on just the kit and those wires that I showed you on the box, right? Like 260 for that. But I'm about to show you, okay? I had to go back and buy this to go with it, which made the climate control, the fan, you know, all this stuff work. Couldn't even lock the doors before. Didn't know that though, until I got this stuff. Because I didn't read all the way, so I'm just warning you. It say right here, required accessories. Kit without this box, knowing damn well I'm gonna need it. Radio work, but none of the other shit. So let me show you what it does. Camaro V6. AC field for it. Alright, so first of all, it's Apple CarPlay. And also shows the climate. This is how you control it by the screen. And it shows fuel intake. Let's see what else. I think it shows something else, like if something go wrong with the car, so if light come on, engine light come on, I think it tells you what it is that's wrong. Let's see what's this. And that too, yeah. So backing up, kind of see what area something's close to you. And if you can see, I got the passenger door open, so it shows you the door open. And the PSI, the tires, which I don't know how, but anyway, that's how it goes in the Camaro, man. Like I said, the radio is dope. It's Apple CarPlay, recording with my phone, so